Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, Ama Opus Senebo, Sir Siminian Fubara, Grand Service Star of Rivers State. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Rivers State, Professor Mrs. Ngozi Mma Odo, Distinguished Service Star of Rivers State. His Lordship, Honorable Justice Simeon C. Amadi, Distinguished Service Star of Rivers State. His Excellency, the former Governor of Rivers State, the former Governor of Cross River State, Donald Duke. Honorable members of the National Assembly here present, my very distinguished colleagues of the Rivers State House of Assembly, very revered traditional rulers and royal fathers here present, honorable commissioners of various ministries here present, distinguished invited guests and participants at this summit, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Let me, on behalf of my colleagues of the 10th Rivers State House of Assembly, and in conjunction with the Executive Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Siminalayi Fubara, GSSROS, welcome you to this very auspicious summit, Rivers State Economic and Investment Summit 2024, which indeed is the first of its kind in the span of this administration in our dear state. The theme for this summit explicitly defines and amplifies the very essence of today's event, which is aimed at advancing pathways to economic growth and sustainability in our dear state. Economic growth and sustainability are two key indices of any developing society, and this administration, ably led by His Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State, has shown tremendous sagacity, determination, and intensity towards ensuring that critical pathways are in place for accelerated advancement in economic growth and sustainability for our dear state. And this is not just rhetorics, for the years of rhetorics are gone. In achieving this vision of advancing our economic growth and sustainability, it is very imperative to note that the legislative arm of government, which I represent in Rivers State, has a pivotal role to play in creating an enabling environment by way of positive and people-oriented legislation, essential for advancing pathways to economic growth and sustainability of our dear Rivers State. Our legislative policy making and oversight functions are central to fostering a climate conducive to economic development and sustainability in Rivers State, in synergy with the executive as well as the judiciary. And so, it is a banquet of responsibilities in good governance for the people of Rivers State, legislative framework and policy formulation. The legislature's primary responsibility is to develop a robust legislative framework that stimulates economic activities by enacting laws and promoting investment, supporting small and medium enterprises, and foster industrialization. The legislature creates a business-friendly environment, legislation, and provides tax incentives can both attract both local and international investors, thereby boosting economic growth. Budgetary oversight and allocation. The Rivers State Legislature's role in budgetary oversight and allocation is critical to economic development. By meticulously scrutinizing and approving the state budget, the legislature ensures that public funds are allocated to vital sectors with strategic investments and infrastructure drives that will not only stimulate the advancement of economic growth, but enhance the connectivity and productivity, but also ensure its sustainability. Sustainability initiatives. Sustainability initiatives is an integral aspect of economic growth, and the Rivers State Legislature will be very instrumental in this area by enacting environmental protection laws and promoting green initiatives. The legislature helps balance economic growth with environmental stewardship. Legislation that addresses pollution control, waste management, and renewable energy adoption is essential for sustainable development. Additionally, supporting sustainable agriculture and fisheries through eco-friendly practices ensures the long-term viability of these crucial sectors. Promoting good governance. The legislature's oversight functions ensure good governance by holding the executives accountable on behalf of the good people of Rivers State. This accountability is crucial in preventing corruption, misappropriations of funds, and ensuring the effective implementation of economic policies. Transparent governance practices enhance investors' confidence and ensures equitable distribution in economic benefits, contributing to the overall advancement of economic growth in our dear state. Public participation and inclusive growth. An enabling environment for economic growth is also fostered through effective public participation. The legislature's engagement with constituents and incorporation of their feedbacks into policy making ensures that economic policies reflect the needs and aspirations of the broader population. This inclusivity addresses inequalities and promotes a more equitable distribution of economic gains, leading to inclusive growth. Conclusively, let me conclude by stating that this summit could not have come at a better time than this, as our very dynamic and pragmatic state governor is just completing his 1 year in office, which has been used to lay the foundation and strategic pillars upon which a more prosperous river state of our dreams will be built. Today, we are setting the pathway for critical concomitants for the advancement of critical elements and structures to accelerate the economic growth and pathways for the economic and sustainability of our dear river state. Obviously, given the importance of the state's legislature and its instrumentality in making this vision a reality through positive legislation, it is our avowed commitment as lawmakers to give the necessary support and enablement towards this very auspicious cause to build River State of our dream and setting a sustainable, robust foundation for the future generation. Long live the good people of River State. Long live River State government. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria.